Hey everyone! Have you seen that new Instagram update where holding your finger on the edge of the screen makes Reels play faster? But for some reason, it's not working on your phone? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let me show you how to fix it, or at least increase your chances of getting this feature. 1. Update Instagram. Make sure your app is fully updated from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Join the beta program. Go to Instagram's page on the Play Store, and if you see Join Beta, tap it. Beta users often get new features early. 3. Clear Instagram Cache. For Android, go to Settings Apps, Instagram Storage Clear Cache. 4. Try another account. Log in with a different Instagram account or try another phone to check if the feature works there. 5. Be patient. This feature is being rolled out slowly and might not be available for everyone, yet it could just be a matter of time. 6. Reinstall Instagram. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. Sometimes this can help trigger new features. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.